For today's job I'm going to change the pedals on my bike. The bearings have gone, so they're making a squeaking noise and the strap has broke. The only tools I need for the job are 15mm spanner, pair of pliers, screwdriver and some graphite spray for the threads of the pedals when I put them on. I've bought these replacement pedals which are alloy sealed bearings, and I've bought the traps and the straps. You'll see that this one's marked left on the bottom left hand corner, and this one's marked right on the bottom right hand corner. I'm using a 15mm spanner for the pedals. There's a bit of an anomaly with the threads on pedals, and the easy way to remember it is right is right and left is wrong. In other words, when you're dealing with the right pedal, clockwise is to tighten and anti-clockwise is to loosen, because the thread direction is right. When dealing with left is wrong, so it's clockwise to loosen. So I want to set up the traps and the straps onto my new pedals and replicate what's on the old ones. Okay, I'm doing the right pedal strap and it needs to be on the outside through this hole underneath the metal and through the gap and up, making sure it's not getting twisted, then through the top. And then in where it gets trapped. Now I've just got to use the 2 bolts from the old one to secure the front. Remove the reflector. Okay, so I've got the old nuts and bolts which I'm going to use. Locate it through the hole. Pop the nuts on the other side. Big boy screwdriver. Just tighten it off by using the pliers. Once I finished the right pedal, I replicated the steps with the left. One of the things I'm going to do before putting these on is spray some graphite spray on it, graphite powder. Okay, putting the right one back, so right is right, so it's clockwise to tighten. Make sure the thread's going on alright. There we are. Happy with that. For this one, left is wrong, so it's going to be anti-clockwise to tighten it. Job done. Happy days. Job's a good one.